Alright guys, we're gonna go $500 into a Lightning Dollar Link. And this has like the slightly highest major. It's only about like $100, but we can grab it. We're gonna do a $10 bet, and let's go. First spin. Okay, that wasn't first spin. Now the objective is to get it as fast as possible, of course. But I've never had a bonus on this machine. I've actually never even played the machine. So I'm hoping to get something kind of quick, some fun, and let's bounce away. Come on, two more. Bonus symbol, of course. For more of the curtains, Toro, I don't know what they're called. Come on, two more. All right. There we go. Money back. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Money back. $10. Come on. Four more. I kind of want a double bonus. Never had one. Also, the 250X, same as the minor. That'd be really cool to just land on the board. Normal gameplay. Three more. Not happening. Best pain symbol. Are they called the Matador? I don't actually know what they're called. $12. Now I can change denom, I can change machine. I figure $500 is a good opportunity to try to win something. If you're really spending more than that, it's not really worth it, right? Especially to just get one bonus. Because you don't even know, one more! You don't even know if it's going to pay good, right? Nothing. Come on, baby. Come on, 5 bowls all the way across. So we're 200 in. Not really doing anything. Little baby line hits. I'm going to change it up. Money back, one more spin. Alright. Alright. You don't want me to change, so I'll go here. Put $1 and same bet. $10. Five of a kind would be pretty sweet. Five of a kind him, I think, would pay 50 times your bet, so it'd be $500. Everyone else, I think, pays 20. I think these pay 10, 20, something like that. Two more. Come on. Not really wanting to hit, really, on the dollars. Oh, there's 10 lines on the dollar. I didn't know that. Interesting. Can I get another double, please? Jack Daniels? All right, thank you. Ordered a good luck drink. Does it really bring luck? Four more. Come on, baby. One more. Come on. My first bonus on this machine. Let's go. Three more, one more. There it is. All right, we're in. Oh, nice. $200. So 3, 4. All right, we're close to our money back. Awesome. Now we can get doubles, triples of all of those guys up there, except for the grand. I don't think so. Of course, if you got to fill it up to get the grand, but can we get a double or triple major? Come on, triple major. Come on, double triple. Come on. All right, 20. Come on, baby. Double triple. Double minor would be awesome. Last spin. Grab it in. Yeah, 150. Nice. We got all of our money back. Come on. Triple minor. Triple major. Actually, they're both big. Ooh, nice. Another $100. Another 120. All right. Fill it up. Come on. Minor major. Double, 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 triple. Last spin. Let's go. Come on. Smack, smack, smack. Not bad, not bad. 3, 4, 5. Basically 600 bucks. Now we're up to profit, see? Nice. 590 bucks. Alright, let's give it a couple more spins, see if it's gonna pay anything else. I know it can, but will it is the question. Money back, times 2. Come on. Nice. Come on. Oh, I saw a double major fly by, I think. 3 more, 3. Come on, baby. 2. I've never had the bonus, so it was my first hold and spin. Let's get the regular bonus. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, and the kings too. Nice. Oh, 250 bucks. 75 bucks. Now we're at a big profit. Thank you. 325 bucks. Up to 1,000, put 500 in. Let's go. Let's do a few more spins. Why not? I'm liking these 10 lines. 2. Oh, there's a hand pay waiting. Come on, 2 more. I really do want this bonus. Even if it doesn't pay well, if it happens fast, totally worth it, right? Oh, that's sexy. I don't know, did I set the right machine or not? Beautiful. Latin, Hispanic, anything. I don't even speak real good English. Does anybody really? Alright, come on. 4. Alright, last spin on the... Ooh, I may do a couple more. I'll do a couple more. Come on, 4 more. $5 bucks. 2. Oh, you're gonna keep me on here, aren't you? Oh, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing 10 lines. So you can do 5 lines. You can do 5 lines or 10 lines. I'm doing 10 lines. That's why. Alright. I'm going to give it a few more spins. I'm probably going to... Oh my goodness. I'm probably going to go to 800. Come on. 2 more. 1 more. Oh, that tricked me. 4. Come on, baby. Nice. 30 bucks. Come on. 1 more bonus. 1 more beautiful bonus. No. Okay, so let's go from dollars to 25-cent denom. So 25 lines, and we're gonna do... So 50 is 12.50. Let's do a couple of these. Just a few, not too many. We're not crazy. 2. Oh, that was pretty. 187.50. 3 more, please. 1. Oh. 175 each for the minis. All right, we're gonna have to do a few more. Honestly, it's just gonna have to happen. Come on, please. I need little love and little sympathy. All right. We're gonna go. Ooh, okay. 60 bucks. Come on, where's the bonus now? Where are you hiding? Nice. Need a 5 of kind though. That was 15 bucks. All right, 22.50 total. I would like to get a bonus. I don't really care a hand pay. The major is very tiny. It's been recently hit. Last spin. Okay. All right, cool. So we'll cash out this game, and we'll see what's next on the chopping block.